You know that contact form that just gets inundated with spam? Well, I made a prompt that you can steal and implement and use in this automation. So we're going to come in your form submission, whatever your contact form submission, Gravity Forms, Contact Form 7, whatever is you're using on your website. You're going to grab it. You're going to grab that contact label, contact form, and you're going to test it. You're going to get the information. And then you are going to run this prompt. And if you haven't seen the Zapier's AI tool, it's amazing. I love it. Basically, you're going to grab this prompt. We're going to input the contact information. And I'm not covering this email up because this was a spammer hitting a contact form for an agency. So basically, what we're doing is basically just analyzing it, looking for output and testing, and then letting us know whether or not it's spam or not. That's the good. That's the good part. That's basically what it's doing. And then from there, so you don't have to you don't have to get the notifications or anything. What we're going to do below, we added a form and we added a section in the form that actually doesn't show it in the because I just made it and none of them have any test data. But reaching out about, so on your form, make a radio button. That's reason you're reaching out, and it's sales or service, sales, and then other. Gravity Forms, you can enable other, and it'll actually grab that information. It'll give them other reason, and they can't submit it without hitting it. And then that's it. So it's actually going to grab and look for these things: marketing language, sales pitch, price hooks, things like that. The things that spammers put in those automated contact form submissions. And then it's just a filter. It's going to say, oh, hey, did this output contains yes? And then we're going to do 2 paths, one for service, one for sales. The other is almost always going to be spammers. So, oh, that's right. I was going to update this one. Yep. So that's it. So it's going to grab the form submission, run it through the AI prompt that will be in the video description, and then also just a filter, and then split by path, sales, service. If you want to use the other, you can make another path from there, and then send it to your team. This agency is using Google Chat, so we have one for a service alert and then a sales alert. And then you could go in and add a step to look for the contact in your CRM. I do it right here, so you have it, and then failed, continue would be the step I would add. But that is it. Hope you enjoy it.